Hi guys, it's Chris here at SomeBloke who travels a lot. Today we're going to have a look at the Novotel in Bucharest. A wonderful hotel, the original facade of an old theatre building with a modern 4-star hotel attached to it. Wonderful. Part of my trip to get a British Airways Gold Card, so do check out the channel as there's lots more on that. Arrival wonderful, very welcoming, very efficient. I love an efficient check-in. It's a big open air lobby and that leads you over to the wine area, which is a brasserie which really focuses on wine, and I had a very pleasant evening in there drinking some fantastic Romanian wines. If you're feeling guilty about too much food or too much wine, there is of course a spa and a gym. I avoided the gym, as I mostly do. However, I had a beautiful swim in the morning and it really was a relaxing area. And yeah, a very pleasant pool with one of those buttons that you press to do proper exercise. So allegedly I did a little bit of that. As you can see, very nice relaxing area. And if you really want to relax, there's actually a relaxing room just at the back of it. I didn't eat that much in the hotel. Solo traveller, I don't tend not to go to the dining room. However, I had breakfast in the exec lounge, which was wonderful. Room service, solo traveller again, the burger is something that happens a lot. Had a bit of pudding as well. Talking of rooms, let's take a look at it. Okay, here we are, room 1107, and no surprises, we're on the 11th floor. Guys, I've seen the view. What I came to Romania to have a look at, it's just awesome. I'm slightly blown away. And although not blown away, this is a very pleasant suite. So let's start a little walk around. We have our separate toilet, which is pretty straightforward. We've got some soap. There's no mirror in here, which is sort of quite unusual. And we have, as you can see, very nice and clean. As we can come into the room, it's a huge space. Now imagine, in fact I don't need to imagine, I know that's a sofa bed. I've got a good work area over here. So we've got some PowerPoints down there. Yeah, just a single PowerPoint. Yeah, which is why something's unplugged. I think it's the Bose is unplugged. A telephone, which is well signposted, so that's good. But yeah, only a single PowerPoint at the desk, not a huge issue. It's a decent sized TV until you look around the room. It's too small for the room, isn't it? However, I probably won't even watch it. So I'm certainly not going to complain. Another PowerPoint, European socket, another PowerPoint, another PowerPoint. Okay, we have our safe and our minibar. And I was told at check-in that the minibar is free. So I'm not expecting great things. Well, you know, a couple of cans of Coke, I imagine. One's diet, one's not. We also have plenty of water, some nibbles and 2 beers. And here's our safe. Yeah, well that doesn't appear to be going anywhere. A little bit of storage space. Plenty of storage space. And we have our tea and coffee cups and our tea and coffee and an espresso. Pretty standard now in all executive rooms. And there we have a full-length mirror. Now I'm going to come to the view last. As I said, what I came to Romania to have a look at. A pretty good view of it. So let's go into the bedroom. So as you know, if you've been watching any of my channels, any of my videos on my channel, my definition of a suite is one that has separate doors. Now, I kind of get annoyed when I book a junior suite somewhere and it's just a big room or with a wardrobe in the way. But anyway, this is a proper suite. It does have that sort of IKEA feel about it, But I can assure you it smells very fresh. It looks very fresh. We have another TV. This one's more to scale for the room. I imagine it's the same size. And what's that on there? That is actually my 360-degree camera. So I'm actually now taking video and still shots in 360 degrees. So do check out the channel for the 360-degree videos. Again, the view. Anticipation, it's kind of worth it. The bed, and through the door there is the bathroom. We'll come to that in a moment. So let's have a look and a feel. My normal, let's make a complete mess of the bed shot. So yeah, there we go. It's very nice. What have we got? Oh, that's firm. You know what? I stayed in the Sofitel last night and I'm slightly confused because the bed was really soft and I like a firm bed, but I woke up this morning and I was so refreshed. I had such a good night's sleep. But anyway, I'm going to stop because all my bags are in the bathroom, so I'm going to move them out of the bathroom and then we should go in and film the bathroom. Then we'll get to that view. Don't forget 360 videos. Right there, before we go into the bathroom, just noticed a full-length wardrobe and another telephone, which is nicely signposted, and a Novotel pencil, which is handy because I'm running out of those. Yeah, full-length wardrobe. Have noticed or not noticed an iron and an ironing board, which would be nice, but we'll see what happens when I ring reception for that. If you look in there, you can see the full-length mirror. And I'll come in now and have a closer look. Lots of fluffy towels. That's another fluffy robe. So I have 3 robes in total. Little potpourri. Hairdryer. Yeah, that'll get a lot of use, won't it? Another telephone. Tissues. Fluffy slippers. And scales, yeah, thanks for that. And all our toiletries. So a good selection there of the normal stuff. Comb set, dental set, shaving set, and all the smellies. And we've got a jacuzzi. We've got a jacuzzi. How cool's that? More fluffy towels. That's pretty cool. Jacuzzi. I haven't had a jacuzzi bath in years. Right, a loo, straightforward, but yeah, absolutely immaculate. That's what we like to see. And I've got a separate shower. There you go, the rainfall shower. And we've more jets, we've more jacuzzi stuff. Blimey. Right, we really have got it. Okay, so that's the bathroom. Now, as I said at the start of the video, I'm on the 11th floor. Oh, I probably forgot to say at the start of the video, do check the channel out. Do subscribe. Going to be lots of videos on Romania, and if you're following the channel you might know that I'm doing a British Airways Gold Card chase. So I'm visiting some weird and wonderful destinations that give extra points, and this is Bucharest, Romania, which is one of them, and I'll also be doing Sofia, Bulgaria, and Tirana in Albania. Okay. They can't decide that there's a building site out there. It's a pretty cool skyline, but yeah, that's not what I got excited about. I don't know how much you know of Romania, I don't know how much you know of the history of Ceausescu, but he built himself a palace. And he built himself a palace, and it was called the People's Parliament Palace. And what looks like a series of buildings in the shot now, that is one single building. I think, someone correct me in the comments, I think when it was built it was the biggest building in Europe. Well, I'm not going to get into politics, but I'm going to say the sun's about to set. And I think we could have some really nice views. That is my room at the Novotel in Bucharest. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I'm going to leave you with the evening view I had out of that 11th floor suite, which was quite wonderful. Thoroughly recommend the hotel. For more information on the hotel, there's links in the description below. There's also links to my website for special offers and travel deals that I get sent by email. So do check that out. Please do subscribe to the channel. There's a load more videos, as you can see on the screen. Lots more videos of Romania. And of course, this was part of my trip to get a British Airways Gold Card. You don't want to miss that. That's a good tip to know how to get that sort of luxury. So please subscribe, please ring the bell, and thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.